Hello, and welcome back to a new video from La WEBA. Today I have a very special guest. We are talking about an iPhone. We are bringing this iPhone to the channel because many people have asked us to make a tutorial showing how to pair smartwatches, especially the common Chinese demo watches from places like AliExpress with an iPhone. You know, these kind of cases, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do all of that without any problems. So without further ado, let's us go directly to the video. The first step is to make sure that both watches, the watch and the phone, I'm talking about that, are 100% charged and turned on, of course. So the second step is to open the control center on the iPhone. For those who don't know where it is right here in the control center. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wi-Fi is only necessary to download the applications. So next step, on your smartwatch there are many ways to find the QR code. One way is by sweeping up from the bottom. There you will see the QR code option. You might tape it and the QR code will appear. Okay, so keep that in mind. The QR code will be different depending on the watch model. It will not be the same for every watch. If you scan this example code, it probably will not work for your watch. I'm only showing you these steps so you can find your own QR code. Another way is to go to watch menu and open settings. In many models, the QR code appears inside settings. In other models, it appears directly inside the main menu. Sometimes it says scan QR code or scan to connected or scan to connect. So you may also find it by sweeping down, sweeping left, or sweeping right, or right to left, you know, all of that. So I have now shown you all the possible ways to find your QR code. Now let's us move to scanning the code. On the iPhone we have a built-in code scanner. To find it, swipe down from the top of the screen and type code scanner. Open the code scanner. Now scan the QR code from your smartwatch. This will open the application page. Now tap download. Make sure it is the iOS version, not Android, of course, because we are using iOS nor Android. So the application in this example, it is called Face Linked Up. Once the app is downloaded, open it. It will ask you to sign in with your Apple account, enter your password, and after that open the application. It will ask for GPS permission. Tap allow. You can choose allow while using the app or allow once. For my personal opinion, the best option is allow while using the app. This will save you for many mistakes. Okay, so once that is done, go to device and tap add. You will see a device called the 8 Pro, which is the watch we have here. So select it. You will see a pairing request to connect to the watch. Tap pair. You will notice that the time is now fully synchronized. It will also ask if you want to allow the 8 Pro to receive notification from your iPhone. Tap allow. Tap allow everything. Now everything is fully configured. How do we confirm that this is 100% connected? Tap find and the watch will start vibrating. Another way to confirm that it is fully connected is by changing the watch face. We will show that in the next video. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment. I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.